Hi dolls, welcome back to the dollhouse. In today's video, I'm going to be decorating my coffee bar for Halloween, and I decided to go with Wicked as my theme this year. I'm so super excited to share with you guys everything that I picked up and how we arranged everything together. But first, let's take down all of my spring decor and get into a little bit of a cleaning sesh. Hey dolls, so I was cleaning. That's why I look a mess like this, because I was cleaning. But I just got my package to finish off my coffee bar. It's like a few days later, so I'm gonna share with you what I got. Here she is. Okay, so I got this like Elphaba costume set because I do want to do some costume and Halloween looks with you dolls in my video, so you guys will see this a little bit later on. But I also thought I could use this as prop decor. Oh, it looks just like them. You guys, it looks just like her. They're super big for my face, but I'm just gonna use them as props, and then I might use them for the costume because I'm trying to find things that were Glinda specific but not say Glinda on them, if that makes any sense, just so I can reuse the decor. Like, I like doing licensed theme things, but only if I do it in a way in which I can recycle the decor into something else later on. So I got this little glass slipper. It's supposed to be pink. It looks clear right now, but oh, it's pink. It's just a very light pink glass slipper. I thought that was kind of Glinda-ish. I need to get her crown, but it won't be able to go on the coffee bar, so I don't know. I'm not even sure this is going on the coffee bar just yet, but I think so. How cute is that? It's a very pale light pink, actually. Here's the hat that goes with the Elphaba glasses. Look. Not with my bonnet, it doesn't work, but that's a pretty decent hat. I think this entire, the glasses with the hat was like $7, and I think they also have a set that comes with like the gloves, like green gloves with nails on them. I just thought that that looked so silly. I was like, I would prefer to just use paint and like paint my hands green. I don't know, so I didn't get that, but super cute for $7. And then last but not least, this is the main thing we're waiting for. It is a Wicked rug. I was trying so hard to figure out how I could tie everything together because I feel like the pieces and everything is there, but it just needed some tying in together because there's like green here, pink there, black there, but I wanted it all to look cohesive. So I thought I need something that has both elements, both Elphaba and both Glinda, that can bring it all together. And I felt like a rug was the perfect way to do that, or some sort of like doily, I don't know, something that could bring it all together. So I got the rug. I just thought the rug was the perfect way to do it. So let's see. It looks really big. I thought I ordered the smallest one. Okay, let's see. Oh, you guys. It's so cute. Obviously, I would only leave this up for decor. I wouldn't like try to do anything. But how freaking cute is that? Now, I do have to finish cleaning my floors because I have the hardwood floors, so I do have to finish cleaning those before I lay this down. But I cannot wait to clean the floors, and probably I'll lay this out probably tomorrow. I'm so happy. It's gonna look so cute. I'm gonna go actually just lay it down in there to see what it looks like right now. Okay dolls, so I forgot to share with you this little one thing. There she is. Come, girl. You missed it, babe. You missed the rug. But look. Looky. But I forgot to show you guys the little pin that I got as well. I don't know what it is, but I'm into pins right now. Like, you can put them on your bags, you can put them on your laptop cases. It just looks cute. So I did go ahead and get this little Wicked pin. It was like $1, so why not? Look at how cute. It's Glinda and Elphaba looking at the Emerald City. How cute is that? So yeah, don't know what bag I'm gonna put this on yet, but maybe I'll put it on my Halloween bag. Like, maybe, who knows? But I really do like it. So cute for $1. Like, you cannot beat that. Okay guys, that was everything. We'll see you in the kitchen.
Like almost every single time I do one. So I am going to go ahead and on this message, try and remember the whole time that I am indeed coming in from behind. And I'm going to put my audiobook back on and get lost in the sauce of doing the blanket stitch. And you're just always a hard part. I never really know how to make it pretty or to try. One layer of the felt down a bit, and up bigger, and a little close. And through time, I'll just work its way back into the felt. I don't know. It's really nice. I'm a little bit.
Okay dolls, so this year I decided to reuse a lot of my decor, and this garland is from last year. I used this on the outside of my apartment last year to decorate, and I thought it would be perfect for a Glinda and Elphaba backdrop on the coffee bar. Okay, I think we should hang it and then put the ornaments on. I think it'll be better because then we can see how we can make it more even. Okay dolls, so this portion is just kind of trial and error. I was trying to play around with the props a little bit. I thought the shoe and the glasses look really cute, but it just wasn't working. So I did go ahead and decide to do a little bit of a DIY. I found these little vials and I decided to fill them with some like shampoo and body wash. Actually, they're both body washes. And I thought it would be cute to do one green for Elphaba and then one pink for Glinda. If you dolls remember, I did use these two canisters last year in my Beetlejuice bathroom. I will try to remember to link that video below for you dolls, but I think it kind of goes with what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to do Wicked inspired, not necessarily licensed Wicked. That's why there's no like licensed Wicked pieces on the actual coffee bar itself. The only thing that is Wicked is the rug, and that is for a reason. Also, I just want to apologize if you guys hear a loud person in the background. That is my annoying toxic ex-boyfriend. He refuses to leave the apartment, so I then decided to reuse some of this moss that I had before on my coffee bar in the springtime. So I decided to add a little bit more of the pink moss on this side and the green moss on the Elphaba side. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna break down my Wicked bar for you guys a little bit. I might move a few things around or change a few things, but for right now, I think it's at a pretty good spot. Obviously, this entire coffee bar would have been so much cuter if it was either white or black or pink cabinetry, but I don't have that. I don't have these ugly background cabinets to work with, so that's what we're working with. The rug is from Temu, you guys. I will try to link it if they still have it. It was really hard for me to find a Wicked rug, so hopefully they still have it, but I think it's super cute and I feel like it ties everything together because I did put sprinkles of green in with the pink and black, and y'all know me, I'm not a huge green girly, so I didn't want to put a lot of green, but I definitely wanted to incorporate some green. Wicked rug ties everything together. Okay, so first off, the candle holders are from HomeGoods or Marshalls or TJ Maxx. They come in either of those places. This is Martha Stewart, and I got the set of 2 of them. My original plan was to DIY this one and make it a pink hand and make it like Glinda themed, and I still might do that. I have some moss that I've had from before other projects in the past. I added that, as you guys could see. I have the Good Witch and the Evil Witch, and then I have these like little witch's cauldron mugs that I always had in my mug collection. Witch's pot, she is from Burlington, and this witch's hat is from Michael's. I just added the pink bow. I obviously could have put a green bow on it and made this look a lot more green, and then maybe made that hand pink. Still might do that. I'm not entirely 100% sure yet, but as of right now, I think it looks fine. I wanted to reuse things I already had instead of spending a bunch of money on buying new things. Literally, you guys, the only things that I bought this year that were new are the candle holder hands and then the rug. Everything else, oh, and then the little ornament bulbs, the little bubble bulbs, but everything else I already had in my collection, so I was really proud of that. I did do some little DIY little moments here with the little vials. I thought that was cute. Another question I get a lot when I do my coffee bars is a lot of people ask, they're like, where is the coffee pot? Like, where's the tea kettle? Where's the stuff to make the coffee with? Like, it's cool that you created this cool backdrop, but like, where is the, you know, necessary things you use? So I do have these drawers right here that I put all of my utensils for making my drinks in. On this side, I have another drawer for like sleeves. I have teas and stuff like that in here. And this just makes it so the ugly stuff doesn't have to sit up on the countertop. Like, I could literally just leave my decor up and then just take out what I need out of these drawers. And then underneath here and this side, I have all of my like tea kettles and teapots, blenders, and things to make my drink, like big equipment. So I just dig through here, you guys, whenever I need my tea kettle or anything like that, and I just pull it out out, put it up here, make my drink, and then I clean it up right away. Clean up my mess, put it away, and then my coffee bar just stays clean and nice and decorated for the holidays. So I just wanted to pop in and tell you dolls that. But yeah, dolls, that was pretty much it. Oh, and then this cupboard above the coffee bar has like all of my mugs and cups and stuff that I use to make my drinks. So it's pretty useful. And then over here I have, don't mind this, I'm going to be organizing this, but I have my like to-go cups here, and then I have this little organizer where I keep my like drink mixes and stuff like up there. So not to worry. Thank you dolls so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.